Hey folks, this is Lou Shirt. I've got a Yale 1-star blue belt lock. This is the introduction. Just wanted to explain about it. There's no modification to the, or stock modification to the bobble that I see. It's a 6-pin lock. Come down a little closer. It has torpedo style key pins. And it looks like they are beveled on the top. And the drivers are GG style. Trying to see. Once again, it looks like they're beveled on the top too. However, I really can't tell. There's the keyway. I really can't tell. Okay, maybe a little bit of overmilling. It's not dramatic. Not enough to make a difference. More wear than anything in this particular lock. Anyway, pick is coming up next. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or just want to comment. See ya. Bye. Okay, so this is a Yale 1-star. I think it's blue belt level lock. It's a little difficult getting into the keyway there, so I can't get up through the bottom. So I'm going to go off. I'm just going to do bottom of the keyway tensioning. Here we go. So just feel through here. I believe this has overmilling. I'll have to check. Open it up. There's 6 pins or 6 chambers. Got a little false set when I hit 6 back there. You just have to test each pin. See where you're at. Light tension. So 6 feels okay, 5 feels okay, 4. Really getting a jiggle I want, but I'll leave it alone for now. 3, same thing. 2, got some counter rotation. Good. 1, same thing. Okay, so 1 and 2 are probably set, or up to the top of the overmilling if there is any. 3. No joy right now. 4, same thing. 5, nothing. 6. Oh, this is 5. I feel jiggle. 6, 2, 4. 3. Okay. This is 1. There it is. So, not bad. Just have to test. Let's take it apart and find out what's in there. Alright, I should get you over a little closer. Oops. This has got one of those brass C-clips. I don't know how malleable that is, but we'll find out. Yeah, it's pretty malleable. Those are actually a pleasure. Lock it back up. Good practice would say shim, but I'm not going to do it. So I don't think this is a skeletonized core. Ooh. Alright, so 6 pins. I think I'll do an introduction, so I'm going to dump them quick and then we'll talk about it closer, or more closely, in a minute. Up front. Oh, torpedo overset traps. Nice. Let's look at that a little closer. I really can't tell if there's any milling. I think it's just wear. Maybe there is. You guys tell me. Comment and tell me. Okay. Oops. Oh. It's got the GG style. Those are nice. Yes, I guess they'll all be the same. Whoops. Very nice. Yeah, Yale 1 star. Blue. Get you down a little closer. How close up? It's the Yale 1 star. Fun pick. Thanks for watching. See ya.